So guys, this is all the tools that I have bring with me for this trip. The most important one, as you obviously can see, the big ones. These are tire levers, and it's very important because my motorcycle is not a tubeless motorcycle. There's a tube inside, so you need to fix it. In order to get the tire out, you need these tire irons. Then we have the sockets from Wera. It's very nice. It's highly compact, by the way. And also in my tool case, I have another tire lever, but this time it says a socket, so I can take out the rear wheel. Also some X-Grip Easy Fit solution to take the wheel out. Some Motion Pro wheel stabilizers. And Wera Socket Tools. Also my Leatherman, which is very nice. I can use it in every occasion with the pillars and everything. It's a nice tool to have. Very compact. My zip ties, very important. You need to bring the zip ties in every travel you do. Also, this is the Anza pack, which is a adhesive to fix permanently anything. It's very handy tool. And of course, for the drones and other equipment, I have a spare battery pack, which I use occasionally. And I also bring my hat to protect from the sun.